Today we shall learn how to draw angle ABC equals to 60 degree, that is any 60 degree angle, by using compass. For this, first of all, we have to take the scale and one of the two arms of the angle has to be taken. Let's name it as BC. Now we have to take the compass, taking B as center, and with a certain radius we have to draw an arc so that it cuts BC at a fixed point. Now taking this point as the center and with the same radius by which we had drawn this arc, the first arc, we have to draw another arc so that it cuts the previous one at a fixed point. Now this particular point of intersection of these two arcs is to be joined with B and should be extended up to A. So here angle ABC of measurement 60 degree is drawn by using scale. So angle ABC is equals to 60 degree drawn by using scale and compass. Let's draw angle PQR equals to 30 degree by using compass, and obviously scale will be needed. So for this, first of all, the scale should be taken and a line segment of any arbitrary measurement should be taken, which will be considered as QR. That is one of the two arms of the angle. Now we have to take the compass and have to set a radius, a certain radius, any arbitrary radius. Now with this radius, taking Q as center, an arc is to be drawn. An arc is to be drawn with the same radius, taking this point of intersection of this arc and QR as the center. Another arc is to be drawn. Make sure the radius should be the same as it was taken for drawing the first arc. Now this point of intersection of these two arcs should be joined with Q, and hence the angle found is of measurement 60 degree, okay, as we have already seen. So by bisecting this 60 degree angle, we'll be getting 30 degree angle. So now in the second step, after drawing this 60 degree angle, we have to bisect it. And here for drawing the 60 degree angle, this broken line is made just to ensure that this is not the required angle, because required angle is of measurement 30 degree. So here we have to bisect this 60 degree angle by using compass and following the same method of bisection of an angle. So here we have to take this particular point of intersection as the center, and with the radius more than half of this particular arc, we have to draw an arc on the side of this arc which is opposite to Q. Okay. Now with the same radius, taking this particular point of intersection as the center, another arc is to be drawn so that it cuts the previous one at a fixed point. Now this point of intersection is joined with Q and is extended up to P. So here angle PQR, which is of measurement 30 degree, is found. So angle PQR is equals to 30 degree is drawn by using compass, or you can write scale and compass. and hence the 30-degree angle is formed. Now we shall learn how to draw an angle of measurement 90 degree. Here the name is given in the question. Suppose it is angle ABC by using compass. So again we have to take the scale. Then one of the two arms of this angle should be drawn. Let's name it as BC, because as ABC is the name of the angle, that means at B the angle should be drawn. Okay. So here, first of all, we have to take the compass with a fixed radius. Any arbitrary radius, but it should not be changed. Okay. Now with this radius, taking B as center, an arc should be drawn so that it cuts the base at a fixed point. Now with the same radius by which the first arc was drawn, taking this intersection point as the center, another arc is to be drawn. With the same radius, taking this particular point of intersection as the center, another arc is to be drawn so that it cuts the first arc at a fixed point. Now taking this point of intersection as the center and with the radius more than half of this portion, we have to draw an arc on that side of the arc which is opposite to B. Taking the same radius with this point of intersection as the center, another arc is to be drawn on the same side so that it cuts the previous one at a fixed point. Let's mark this point. Now this point of intersection should be joined with B and should be extended up to A, because ABC was the name of the angle. So here angle ABC is drawn, which is of measurement 90 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, which is drawn by using compass. And hence we have learned how to draw an angle of measurement 90 degree, means right angle, by using compass. Now we shall learn how to draw an angle of measurement 45 degree by using compass. Let's name it as ABC. So for this, we have to take the scale. With this scale, first of all, one of the two arms of the angle should be taken. Here, let's name it as BC, because as we know, if ABC is the name of the angle, that means the angle should be drawn at B, right? So here BC, one of the two arms, that is BC, is taken. Now we will draw this 45 degree angle by bisecting 90 degree angle. That is why first of all the 90 degree angle, means right angle, should be drawn. But that is not our required angle, but it should be drawn at first. So by the process of drawing 90 degree angle, taking B as center and with a certain radius, an arc should be drawn so that it cuts the base at a fixed point. Now with the same radius, taking this intersection point as the center, an arc is drawn so that it cuts the first arc at a fixed point. Now taking this particular point of intersection as the center and with the same radius, another arc is drawn. Okay. Now with the same radius, taking this point of intersection as the center and with this particular radius, an arc is drawn on the side of this arc which is just opposite to B. Now with the same radius, taking this particular intersection point as the center, another arc is drawn on the same side so that it cuts the previous arc at a fixed point. Now this particular point of intersection is joined with B and hence the right angle is obtained. But as in this case, it is not our required angle, so it is drawn by broken lines. Now the right angle is found. Now we have to bisect this angle by using the same method of bisecting an angle. So here, first of all, the compass should be taken for bisection of this right angle. Now the first arc is already here. So first of all, we have to take this particular intersection point as the center, and then with a radius more than half of this arc, an arc should be drawn on the side of this arc which is opposite to B. Now with the same radius, the radius should not be changed. Taking this intersection point as the center, means the intersection point of this vertical line of right angle and the first arc as the center. With the same radius, another arc should be drawn on the same side so that it cuts the previous arc at a fixed point. Now this point of intersection is joined with B and is extended up to A. And hence, angle ABC, which is of measurement 45 degree, is found. So, angle ABC is equals to 45 degree drawn by using compass. So here the required angle is found. Hope the method is clear to all of you. Now we shall learn how to draw an angle of measurement 75 degree by using compass. Here the name of the angle is taken as ABC. So again we have to take the scale and one of the two arms should be drawn of any arbitrary length. Let's name this as BC. So the angle should be drawn at B. Now how will we draw this 75 degree angle? The method is very easy. First of all, we will consider the 60 degree angle. Then we will consider the 90 degree angle. Now in between these two angles, we will find a gap of 30 degree angle. And then if we bisect this 30 degree angle, then we will be getting 15 degree angle. And this 60 degree and 15 degree will give us, combiningly will give us 75 degree angle. That means, first of all, by usual process, we have to form the right angle. And also here we can get that 60 degree angle. And this gap, that is of measurement 30 degree, should be bisected in order to get the 75 degree angle. This angle as a whole will give us 75 degree angle. So let's draw this. First of all, we have to consider this compass and taking B as center and with any arbitrary radius, but it should be fixed, it should not be varied. An arc should be drawn. And with the same radius, taking this point of intersection as center, another arc is to be drawn. With the same radius, taking this point of intersection as you know as the center, another arc is to be drawn. Now with the same radius, or you can take the radius more than half of this portion, an arc is to be drawn on that particular side of the first arc which is opposite to B. And with the same radius, taking this intersection point as the center, another arc is to be drawn, so that it cuts the previous arc at a fixed point. Now this fixed point is marked and is joined with B with a broken line, because this is not our required angle. So here the vertical line, that is right angle, is found. Okay. Now this particular point of intersection, that is the first arc, point of intersection of the first arc and of the second arc, both were drawn with the same radius. Okay. B will be joined with B by the similar way, that is by broken line, and hence this particular angle will give us 60 degree. So here right angle means 90-degree angle is found, this vertical line is found, and the 60-degree angle is also found. So this one is right angle, this one is 60-degree angle. So what is the gap? As we know, this is a gap of 30-degree, right? Now if we bisect this 30-degree, as I have already told you, we will be getting the required 70-degree angle, because bisecting 30-degree we will be getting 15-degree. So let's bisect this angle. So the first arc which is required for bisection of an angle is already done here. Now taking this particular intersection point as the center, and with a radius more than half of this portion, an arc is drawn on the side of the arc which is opposite to B. And with the same radius, taking this particular intersection point as the center, another arc is drawn on the same side so that it cuts the previous arc at a fixed point. Now this intersection point is marked and is joined with B and is extended up to A. So this is the required angle, angle ABC, which is of measurement 75 degree. So angle ABC equals to 75 degree drawn by using compass. And hence we have learned that how all the acute angles, which are the multiples of 15 degree, should be drawn by using compass. And also we have learned that the process of drawing right angle means 90-degree angle by using compass.